So to take out the old hard drive, we're going to have to move this phone back more. I would have a camera on a tripod, but my camera broke on me, so we're just left with this. First, take out the battery. Then we take apart the RAM. Now, my RAM hasn't came in the mail. My friend shipped it yesterday, so it should come in either tomorrow or on Friday. Most likely Friday, because it's slower than Amazon. So we just pull this off. There's the RAM, as you can see right there. So let it focus. Oh yeah, that's why it was focusing. There you go. Okay, it's focused. So there's 3 gigs. This is a 1 gigabyte RAM stick, and I'm going to be replacing this with a. Let's put this label over here. I'm going to be replacing this with a 2 gigabytes because 4 gigabytes is much better for the internet. For nowadays purposes, 3 gigabytes is quite low. Even 2 gigabytes is quite low. For Google Chrome and Linux to work faster, 4 gigabytes would have been a better choice. So I got some more RAM. Trust me, your system will benefit. Sometimes, even with Linux or Windows, some of your system will load into RAM, so things load faster, such as the login screen. And also, it can also help with sleep, because when you put the computer on sleep, it stores it in RAM. Hold on. Also helps to have a magnetic screwdriver. Okay, ready? I'm almost done. There you go. Just pry this out. Oh, it's not coming out for some reason. It's screwing. Just refuses to come out. So hold on, I got a flathead here. It's gonna use to pry. There we go. Need a little help. I probably got stuck. This is the most basic laptop you could possibly fix up easily. The basic part, the wireless card's here. Having issued the wireless card, just buy a new one right here. RAM here, hard drive here. And when you're done, you want to pull up this tab, carefully pull off this little SATA cable interface. That's why I knew I should buy a new one, because of SATA. So this is a Western Digital Blue 320 gigabyte, so I'm going down in terms of storage because I don't really do much, just internet stuff and, you know, talking Skype and Discord, you know, just basic. I just use this for traveling, doesn't need much. So this is the old one, it's quite old, and yeah. Let's just replace it. Okay, so this is what we did. You recording right? Okay, so I have the SSD. I unscrewed both sides, as you can see, and basically now, just pull it right off. Oh, it's like some sort of like aluminum stuff. Like it's like a brushed aluminum. Carefully pull it off. There's like a little adhesive here. So flimsy looking thing. Here's the old hard drive. We don't need this anymore. Oh crap, my screws. Okay, we don't need that anymore. So it's ready. We're gonna be doing a little unboxing. So we're just gonna have to move this camera up more. So this is the unboxing. Okay. This is unboxing. Ready? Ready? Ooh. This looks even nicer than the Samsung I got. That costs a lot of money, by the way. I got it when it was expensive. Okay, here's the thing. This actually weighs more. It smells new too. This actually weighs more than the Samsung hard drive. Just by a little bit though. I'm pretty sure they just put more detail on the outside. 90 gigabyte SATA 3. This thing does SATA 2, so weird, but wow, it's like a beautiful brushed aluminum. I'm gonna take a picture of this here if I can get it good. And it's probably the best way of doing it. So just goes in like that. Hey, look on the bright side. At least it goes in like this, so if I take it out, I can see that beautiful key spec. There you go. Well, let's start screwing stuff in. Boom! Yeah, doesn't that look nice? Alright, just slide it in and get going. I think I'm ready to do just that. It's installed. I have to put these 4 little screws in. This thing can screw itself. We out with the old and in with the new. Start snapping everything back in like you're supposed to. So just let it in. Oh, it's like a little dust filter. Huh, who knew? Here you go. Just go. Slowly. And when you check the BIOS to make sure it recognizes it. Actually, just the boot menu, that just good enough. We don't need no BIOS. The boot menu just does all the work. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, you have to slide that in. Okay. Just slide that in. And there. And yeah. This part was always hard to install. You had to like, there you go. Really? Having a magnetic screwdriver is good. And no, having a magnetic screwdriver does not affect the hard drive. See? Look at this. Nothing. Ready for the battery? And just by the way, I'm sick, so excuse the coughing. Okay, we're good. Let's check if this thing reads it, and we're good. Okay, everyone, a moment. Okay, everyone, a moment of truth. I have it plugged in. Let's plug the Linux. Are you ready? Okay, ready? F9. Notebook hard drive. Hey, hey, hey. Wait, did you guys see that? Okay. Oh, it's tilted. Okay, that's good. You good? Okay, I'll just use editing. So, Sansta's notebook hard drive. So, I guess it reads it. Well, let's install it. Now, like I said, this thing, it will still be a little slow. Especially running off of the flash drive. Because, it needs more RAM. It needs more RAM. Don't worry, I got RAM in the mail. I'm going to record that too. So, in terms of slowness and RAM, well, you just have to wait patiently. But otherwise, SSD is a great upgrade for this thing. And boom, Linux works. Okay, guys, the last modification came in so far. It's the RAM. See? So, right now I have a big cold, so excuse how I sound. It's coming around downtown, and around down here. Anyway, up here, actually. I'm in the north. So first off, you take off this heavy, huge 200 and 400 milliamp battery, whatever the heck, 2400, I don't know, I don't care anymore. Okay, let's take apart this. Damn it. In fact, I'm surprised this mail came today. It came early. My friend sent me this. I thought it might come tomorrow. Well, I guess I'm lucky. Okay, here's the RAM. This is the 1 GB RAM stick right here. Yeah, I'm just going to flip the laptop over for you. See? They're actually both blue. So I'm just going to get this here. We're just going to pop this open. Like this. I'm going to put this in. Let's hope it fits. Ready? It fits. Ah, there we go. It looks a little different though, but it fits. Okay. Then we get the old RAM stick and tell it to screw itself. Then what we do is we put this back on, and then we have to get the stupid plastic. There you go. We screw it on, and then we get the battery, and there you go. Installation complete. Didn't take more than 5 minutes, not even 2. We open laptop, we turn it on. I think it has more. Yeah, I think it does. It says 3.5. We added an extra gig, so 0.5 is dedicated to system. So I believe it's actually detecting the 4 gigs of RAM. Because it says 3.5. Because I added one more, so it's 4. Yeah, it makes sense, because I think before it said 2.5 or 3 or something. No, it said 2.5. So yeah, I think it worked. Yep. Works great. You're great. As you see here, I can load up. Oh yeah, it's the cuttlefish squid. Came with Ubuntu. I actually chose it because I think it looked cool. And works great. Browsing experience is smoother. An extra gig will help, hopefully.